few years ago, I did a video about my PlayStation 4 um, wouldn't eject, accept the disc. This is the one, and this is how it looks now. This is what I have to do. I have to take it apart. Hang on. Since I've done that, what happened was, I'm trying to keep the camera steady. The satellite right here that I'm going to point at, right? I had to unscrew it, and it got kind of messed up, and I was unable to use my controller unless I aim it directly at the console, which was very hard and tedious. And plus all the parts and screws being taken apart from it, I recommend nobody take this thing apart. I recommend if you have an issue like that, just go ahead and get rid of it and buy a new one. I hate to tell you. This one is, let me see. Oh yeah. Turns out I'm not the only one that had this problem, but I didn't know that at first, so, yeah, I tried everything. I tried moving the rollers here, tried cleaning the fan. This is how it looks now. I don't use this thing at all. Still will turn on, but like I said, because of the satellite right here, I'm pointing at being unscrewed, it's not the same anymore. The controller has to be this close to the PS4. So I recommend no one don't make the same mistake I did. I still to this day regret taking it apart. So I had to buy a new one. I'm not gonna turn this on right now because I'd have to unplug everything and all that. But yeah, it still will turn on, but it's kind of pointless. So I probably might think of selling it, but if not, then I'll just keep it and have an extra PS4. There was a lot of parts that came with, I don't think Sony knew what they were doing because, hearing that video was blown up that I made earlier was, it made me think, okay, this has happened before with many people, and it's like, this is, I forget what kind of generation this, what kind this is, but they happen a lot, so this is the slim version, so yeah, it happens a lot. I recommend nobody take this apart.